Hey everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your MyBlock H&R Block account at hrblock.com. Whether you want to access your tax documents, check your return information, or manage your H&R Block account, this guide will walk you through the login process. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter account.hrblock.com into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. On the website that opens, enter your username here and click the Continue button. On the next page, enter your password and click the Login button. And that's it. Logging into MyBlock H&R Block through hrblock.com is quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Login Page for more step-by-step login guides. Thanks for watching.